Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of makeup magic with a product that's all about achieving that naturally sculpted glow. If you're in love with contouring but want something more effortless, you're in for a treat. We're about to introduce you to the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand from various angles. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a closer look at this gem. Feast your eyes on the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand, a liquid contour wand that promises to give you that perfect sculpted look without the fuss. So, what makes the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand so special? Allow me to unveil some of its fantastic features. Effortless application. The wand design makes application a breeze. Just a few swipes and you're on your way to a defined, sculpted look. Buildable formula. The liquid formula is buildable, allowing you to control the intensity of your contour. Whether you want a subtle daytime look or a glam night out effect, it's got you covered. Halo Glow Effect. This isn't just about contouring. It's about adding a luminous, radiant halo to your features for that ethereal glow. Versatile shades. The e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand comes in a range of shades to suit different skin tones, ensuring that everyone can achieve a naturally sculpted look. Let's talk application, shall we? After your base makeup, simply twist the bottom of the wand to dispense the product onto the sponge applicator. Apply the contour along the hollows of your cheeks, jawline, and sides of your nose. Then, use your fingers or a blending sponge to blend it seamlessly into your skin. Remember, the goal is to enhance your natural features, not mask them. But enough talk, let's see the magic in action. Here's a side-by-side comparison of my face before and after using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand. Can you see how effortlessly it sculpts and highlights, giving me that naturally radiant effect? Ready to elevate your contour game and achieve that naturally sculpted look with a luminous twist? The e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand is your ticket to effortless glam. You can find it on the official e.l.f. website or at your nearest beauty retailer. There you have it, beauty lovers. The e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand, a game changer for those who want to sculpt and glow without the hassle. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more makeup tips, tutorials, and product reviews. Until next time, keep radiating that beautiful energy. If you're interested in trying the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour Beauty Wand, you can find it on the e.l.f. Cosmetics website or at most drugstores. Use the code BARD for 10% off your purchase. Thanks again for watching.